Our liver is very active during sleep since it's attuned to a circadian rhythm. While we sleep and our liver is functioning, the body is restoring and repairing. Drinking enough water each day, especially upon waking, helps the body perform tasks such as these more effectively. There's evidence that shows that lemon juice can help stimulate normal stomach acid production and bile production. Simply squeeze the juice of a lemon into a glass of warm or hot water, and then add raw honey or organic stevia to sweeten it. I like to drink this a bit after my coffee, but before my first meal of the day while my stomach is still empty. I'm Ann Schechter, and this is the Wellness Minute.